Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Windows File Explorer is crashing or keeps on crashing on your Windows. So if the Windows File Explorer keeps on crashing, you cannot access into your favorite videos, documents, files saved in the File Explorer. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first method is in the Windows search bar, type here File, Explorer, Options. This one under the best match, click on it. Now this window will appear, the File Explorer options. Open File Explorer 2. You'll have this in the General tab. Click on this drop down arrow and choose this PC. Then you have here under privacy, just simply check all of these boxes and then clear File Explorer history. Click on clear, click on apply, and then click on OK. For the next method, in the Windows search bar, type task, manager. Click on it under the best match. Maximize this. We're going to restart the Windows Explorer. So in the Windows search bar, like in the search bar in the task manager, type here Explorer. Then Windows Explorer will appear. Make a right click and then select restart. And just wait for a while for the icons to be back. Now once done, close this. Then we can also run the SFC scan to scan for and repair system corrupt files. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here, type this command as SFC space / scan now. As SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Now this process will take some time. This will start from 1% and will goes up to 100% depending on the verification process on your Windows. Now let's just minimize this for now. Then click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options, go for Windows Update. Then simply click this, whatever it suggests in this button, like check for updates, download and install updates, or retry all. Now once your Windows is updated, close this window. And then once the command prompt or the SFC scan is done, just type exit, or you can just simply close the window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So by that, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.